What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Mr. Sticks coming at you with another Android tutorial video. I was asked to do a basic video on how to install apps from your SD card by using a file manager and a free app site that I post links about. I also have another video which I'm going to post links down in the bottom bar down there to show you my other video on how to install paid apps onto your phone and where to get the website from and all of that. So refer to that video if you haven't already. So basically, let's get started. I'm gonna show you some of the basics here. As you see, I got my phone locked here, and the neat thing about it, when it's on airplane mode, it has a little airplane, little flyer jet right there up there at the top, letting you know that it's on airplane mode here and there. And I'll slide this down, and I'm gonna go into my applications. As you see, I got the live widget going there, of course, HTC Sense. Let's go in here. Basically, what you want to do is, if you haven't done it yet, you need to go to the market and get a file manager, something like Astro, OL file manager, or Lender file manager, which is what I'm using, whichever one best suits your phone. I'm using Lender because I tried Astro and it does not have a package installer that supports the Mytouch Slide 3G. Okay, so once you get that downloaded onto your phone from the market, what you need to do from there is actually go into the application, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you first go into it, which is this will be considered the home screen. It's going to show you my phone, like what storage you have left in your phone and all that, SD card, download, gallery, wallpapers, and etc. What you're going to want to click on after you have downloaded the file that you want to put onto your phone onto your SD card. As I told you, refer to the other video. What you're going to want to do here is go down to SD card, click on it. Oh, sorry about that. Click on it, and another quick tip, if you don't have it set up already, go into your PC with your phone connected via USB and create a folder directly to your USB card, called cracked apps or pirated apps or free apps, whatever name that you want to recognize it by, the way you're going to store all of this these files and stuff. Can't stress that enough. You need to make it evident of what you're doing. Okay, once you get that done, you're going to want to click on it. Go into it. As you see, I have the apps. I don't have many yet on this phone that I have installed. Once you put it on there and pull it up, it's going to show up like this. Like, I'm going to go in and show you how to install it and how the package installer looks by going into a midnight pool game, which I basically just got and going to put on my phone. This is how it would look if you would get it from the market, but you're not getting it from the market. You're getting it straight from your SD card. Down at the bottom, it's going to say install or cancel. Go right on ahead and hit install. This only takes a few seconds for it to install. Pretty quick, what I like about it. And once it's done installing, it's going to say application installed. And then down at the bottom, it's going to say open or done. I don't know if you can see that very well with the camera view here. I'm going to click on open over here on my left hand side. And it's going to open the application or game, whatever have you, and it's going to show you that you have it. And you can play it or use it or what have you from here. And let that wind up where I can go and turn it off. And as you see, it has installed. So that's the basic settings of the file manager and all that, what you can do with it. And for the special friend that asked me about it, that's basically how you do it. Just follow the steps down at the bottom. Well, I'm sorry, follow the link down at the bottom, and it'll tell you furthermore how to do it on my other video. So now I'm going to go back home and just show you this phone. Mytouch Slide 3G, which is done by HTC. It's one of the best phones I've had. And one of the main things I like about it is the widgets that's on it. You have the widget box here, which has got your bookmarks, and you have as many as you want in there. And it comes stock with a few, which is these down here at the bottom. So I got some added. And if you click on it, it'll take you straight to it. Sorry about that. I was in something earlier. As you see, it took me straight into Google. Okay. You got the Facebook app, which you can download from the market. Another cool thing is that in the widget settings, you can download widgets like this. It's a notepad widget. You can go in and there's ways you can write with your finger. See here, or you can go in and write with the keyboard. Also, this is the other input mode, which is the touch keyboard. It has swipe on here. I just hadn't really trained myself on how to use it that much because I'm still messing around with the phone. That's pretty cool. Then you have your friend stream, and basically I'm going to explain the friend stream is you can go in and you can set up all your social networks, which once you set up the phone, you're going to set up your social networks anyways. And this friend stream is what's going to be what you use to update your status. Like if you update your status and you want all your statuses to say the same thing, you just use this widget, and it keeps you having to go from application to application to do it. Picture frames here, okay, custom picture frames that you can put on there. This phone does not support live wallpaper, so anybody that's wondering. Then it comes with, of course, HTC Sense, with it being an HTC phone, and it's got the actual flip clock with the weather. And as you see, you don't have the weather pop up like I showed on my G1, but after you lock the screen and pull it back up, as you see, you can see like clouds, sunshine, or whatever. As you see, my puppy barking in the background, excuse that, y'all. Also, another thing that this phone comes stock with is a thing called visual voicemail. It shows like a text message. You can go in and delete messages, listen to messages, and it shows who sent it to you. Sorry about going on Twitter. Faves widget, you can have all your faves in there, like so, as you see. Pretty cool. Calendar widget, music widget. Oh, sorry. Go and play and changes and all that. Lock screen on this, another cool thing. On the lock screen. Control it from here. Don't even have to be in it. You pull it down and let you do anything else. I'm gonna go back home. And of course, power bar and all that. Got YouTube widget that I don't have on mine yet that I need to put on there. Other widgets that you can download, and the most favorite thing about this phone that I think that everybody's getting it for is because of the Genius button. Click on it down there right hand side. It takes a second for it to pop up, but once you get it up, you can click on what you needed to do, and the only thing you do is just talk to it. Like for instance, well, I'm not gonna really. Okay, then I can say, call baby. Oh yeah, I have my phone on airplane mode, but if I didn't call it right away, you can go in and send text message or email by using voice command. Search the web by voice command. Find the business by voice command. Another cool thing about this phone, go out of that. Excuse me, I've been sick for a little while here. Go in this thing called My Mode, so you can go in and change the look of your profile on your phone and all that. And mode, theme, wallpaper, lock wallpaper, appearance, ringtone, and notification tones that you can do from there. All in that one little space. You can change the theme, which is the whole total look of the phone, which is pretty neat. And that's basically the phone. All I can show you within 10 minutes. So if you don't have one, go out and buy one. It's through T-Mobile. It's the HTC Mytouch Slide 3G. Make sure you go get one. Peace.